Are you thinking about selling your house? I've got something you ought to know, and that's coming up for you. My name is Keith Connors. Welcome. I'm a broker associate realtor in Clearwater, Florida. Hit the button, please. Subscribe to this channel below or call us anytime, of course, at 855 Mr. Beach. You can see your home's current value estimate right now at whatismyhomereallyworth.com. Always good to know the numbers, even if you're not selling quite yet. Remember what I always say. When you know the market, getting your best deal can be child's play, and it makes it kind of fun. Now, back to our question. Are you thinking about selling that house? You should know while the market isn't as frenzied as it was a few years ago, homes are still selling pretty fast. Let me explain. This graph shows how quickly houses sold each January from 2017 to right now. This tells us homes aren't selling at the same lightning speed they did during the unicorn years, but we're not that far off. If you compare the latest number in green with other years, we're still seeing well-priced homes fly off the market. Here's what that means for you and me. Plenty of people are still looking to buy in our Florida Suncoast area, but we don't have enough homes for everyone. That's why well-priced homes are selling so fast, and yours could too. Yeah, we're seeing some overpriced homes sitting on the market, it's true, for over 60 days and then finally selling for less after price reduction, price reduction, price reduction. But if you price it right in the beginning, you always get a better deal, sometimes with multiple offers. Trust me on this, I know. We use 5 different valuation tools to help you price right from the very start. So, if you're still on the fence about selling, here's the deal. The market is stronger than it usually is this time of year. When you're ready to jump in, let's chat about getting your house sold and, most importantly, getting your best deal. Remember to check out the website at whatismyhomereallyworth.com to get started. It's fast, it's free, it's easy, and nobody will hound you. Call me, of course, anytime at 855 Mr. Beach.